The equipment required for the beep test includes a 20-meter measuring tape, marking cones, and the beep test application. To download the application, go to the App Store, search beep test, and install the beep test free application.
When you are ready to administer the test, go to an open area with enough room to set the marking cones 20 meters apart. This may be done on a field or inside a gym.
Open the installed beep test free application. Turn the comment and sound options on. Now you are ready to start the test. This test involves continuous running between two lines 20 meters apart in time to recorded beats. The subjects stand behind one of the lines facing the second line and begin running when instructed by the recorder. The speed at the start is quite slow. The subjects continue running between the two lines, turning when signaled by the recorded beeps and the recorder saying go. After about 1 minute, a sound indicates an increase in speed, and the beeps will be closer together. This continues each level. If the line is reached before the beep sounds, the subject must wait until the beep sounds before continuing. If the line is not reached before the beep sounds, the subject is given a warning and must continue to run to the line, then turn and try to catch up with the pace within 2 more beats. The test is stopped if the subject fails to reach the line for 2 consecutive ends after a warning.
The athlete's score is the level and number of shuttles reached before they were unable to keep up with the recording. Record the last level completed, not necessarily the level stopped at. To calculate your predicted VO2 max from your 20-meter shuttle run test result, enter your level and number of shuttles for that level, and then click the Calculate button. For example, if you scored 8.5 on your beep test, then you would enter 8 in the first box and 5 in the second, and then push Calculate.